everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to cook rice in a plastic bag. As you know, rice is a staple food in Japan. At a time of the emergency or even camping outside, this recipe is going to be helpful because you can save dishwashing by using a plastic bag. It's going to be a fun experiment as well. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Time flies, it's been already 11 years on YouTube. I can't believe it. I know YouTube has changed a lot, but I stay the same, if you know. I'm 100% organic since I started YouTube. I still create my videos on my own. Why I started YouTube is in the article in the description box, so please check it out. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. Or just remember me and stop by and say hello once in a while. It's really nice that after 6 or 7 years, people stop by and say me hello. That really means I will see you in the next video. Here are the ingredients. Wash the rice if necessary. Use pre-washed rice to save water. Put rice and water in a plastic bag and tie securely. Soak for an hour or so for better result. If you're in a hurry, you can cook it right away. In a pot, place water and a plate so that the plastic bag won't touch the pot directly. Bring to a boil, then place the plastic bag and cook on low for about 20 minutes. Stop the heat and leave in the pot for 10 minutes.
Understand.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おしゃれするようにかけます。
こんなにいっぱいかけたら辛いでしょ。
いただきます。
はい。
おふべ。
美味しい。よかった。
めっちゃ美味しいのでごま塩も持っていってください。しかしふりかけ持っていってください。チャンネル登録お願いします。バイバーイ。ひなとき頑張って。
じゃあ変でしょ。
ひなするときさ早く潰れたらどうするの？だからかひなするときに頑張ってって言ったんだよ。
あ、そうか。
100万人お願いいたします。バイバイ。